Why were you waiting for me? Look good?
Look good. Be careful, do not break it. Do not break it.
Why not?
What if they don't have this window?
Oh, that's a good... Always make sure, that's a good point. I need like the flags for the airplane.
Even his stand is like a pro stand.
Or pro stance, that's the pro look right there. You know, he's like... Well, everyone, another year has passed. You know, you get that January depression kind of setting in. It's kind of cold outside. It's dark. I don't even know why I got sunglasses on. You're not feeling it, you know? And I realized that the reason why people are feeling like this is because they got these pieces of shit windows on their house. And every time they get up, and every time they go out the door, and every time they look outside, they look through that. Of course that'd make you depressed. It wouldn't matter if it was 30 degrees outside right now, you'd still be sad. So let's go inside, let's fix this problem, one house at a time. I'm gonna say that this year, we are gonna change almost all of the windows in this city, in this province, in this country, and everyone's gonna be happy again. Again, this is the year. It's good for security. Can't go out, can't go in. Even if you smash the glass, you still gotta get through the grills. I think that would just make me wanna not break in, right? We should know that sound by now, right? Metal? No. Plastic? No. Wood, solid wood. Was solid, now it is less solid, now it is water damaged wood. And just a mold heaven. And I know from doing this for a few years now, it's gonna be a problem today. It's gonna be fun for me, fun for us, but for these guys, the installers, no, I can already sense the mood in the air. It's quite dry. There's not a lot of smiles on people's faces. So we're gonna try to put smiles on people's faces today, because that's really the reason why we're here, is to make people laugh and stay out of their way and not get a hammer across your head. So let's have a look around, and you know, these ones aren't too bad so far, but the grills alone is very disturbing. To have that many grills is, it was really meant to keep people not only out, but also in, which is scary. As you can see here, we are in the bathroom, and quite a lovely little bathroom we have here. Got 3 windows, 3 fixed windows, nice large kind of bay opening, nice large jetted tub. We're just in the process of taking these ones out. These wood windows come out pretty easily. Once we take the brick molding off on the outside, we can essentially just kind of push them out and they'll come through. Our lovely pink insulation stuffed in between the jamb and the actual framing. You can see some mold starting to grow on there. Not very pretty, not very useful, and a big problem like we always show in terms of air leaks and drafts and just overall inefficiencies. It's not good. So change that out, apply our new low density spray foam, and really seal these up the way they're meant to be. And you can see here we got lots of tile work that we're being careful not to damage, and then we're actually repurposing this original casing. And then maybe the homeowner will paint it at some point or just keep it the way it is. It's up to them, but definitely can be done. You can always work with Ecoline on different options on how to finish off the windows. So look at that, windows out. We've got another one to do, and then we'll start reinstalling them, and it's actually moving quite fast today. And that's the way we want to do it in 2026. Fast, bang, 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 get as many done as we can, and get people happy again. Nice, good amount of mold in this casement window here.
I can see
starting to grow. Just kind of living there, doing its own thing, eating away at your window. Not very nice, not very pleasant.
Right beside the bed.
Right beside the bed, you're breathing all that in all the time. Not the best situation to live in. So I know today we're already changing that, so I mean, I guarantee these people sleep like babies tonight and have no issues.
Are you happy now?
That was too easy. Shouldn't be able to rip out pieces of your window with your bare hands. I'm not even that strong. I mean, I'm a little strong, but not that strong. Not like you. Boys did a good job today. Cover up the bed, the dresser, the floor's looking good. This is the way I want to see it. Make sure that we don't get any dust or debris on people's stuff. So we take this all off, and then when the guys leave, it looks like they were never here. So that's important. Okay, get some lovely weather stripping on this window we took it out. There's a lot of mold on this edge of the frame here, and this looks like masking tape. It's not even really all that useful weather stripping, but I guess you could reuse it in another application. So if you're a hoarder, then hold on to it. Now I need my shades. That's better. You know, it's pretty good for, what day is it, January 12th? Be sitting in a chair in the mud. It actually feels pretty good in the sun. It's not bad. A little bit of breeze, you know? I can sit here I can sit here all day, just watch the world go by. Sitting in the mud. Ecoline? I don't know. I don't know what this is anymore. This is a relic of old time. It's a piece of shit. Look at this. It's too much wood. Get enough with the wood. Get rid of the wood. This is the modern way to do it. Nice, strong vinyl PVC. Look at this. We got a nice, sexy, sleek gray color. It's going to look really nice on this house. Triple pane, as always. Home Depot. I mean, you can't order this. You can't. Home Depot's not selling that to you. That's not going to work. That's going to drive you mental. This is the way to do it. I think. I mean, I don't know. What the hell do I know anymore? Okay, windows are prepped. Opening looks good. No signs of any visible damage or rot, other than the windows that were there are gone. Grills are gone. Everything looks good. 3M flashing, nice and sticky, stuck on good. Ready to install a window. Well, that was really easy. There was no issues installing these windows whatsoever. They went in pretty much just like that, lickety-split. That's the beauty of television, is we can kind of manipulate things and make things seem like they went a lot quicker than they actually did. So that's really nice. Beautiful windows, professionally installed, ready for some spray foam to go in a few minutes. And it's gonna look really good. You can see how, if you compare it to the beginning of the video, what's changed. Just looks a lot nicer, and you're gonna get all that comfort. When you're in a bathroom and you have all these windows, you have a lot of humidity coming from the shower, from the tub. All that's gonna end up right on the window. You get mold growing, you get all kinds of humidity, condensation problems. All that goes away today, and you don't have to worry about any of that happening. You got triple pane Ecoline window. You're set. You're ready for the rest of your life ahead of you. Just enjoy a nice bath, enjoy your view, enjoy your life. Not working. It's a big gap. Normally the gap isn't this big. All right, so we're finishing up this window with the spray foam. I tried my best. You know, I thought I had it figured out. Turns out I'm not even close, so I need more practice. So we'll work on that as the year goes on. We'll see if I get any better. But you can see when you get that spray foam in, that you get it all the way in those gaps. There's nothing that's left uncovered. You get a nice, good bead at the front of the window. That's gonna really seal up the air gaps. And then we apply another second bead closer to kind of the back of the window here, where the closest to the wall. And that creates a nice air gap. So you get even more enhanced insulation from that opening. and it basically just seals it up 100%. You're not going to have any issues with heat loss or air drafts or anything like that. But there is a technique to it. It's not something that your average person can just grab this insulating gun and just start. You know, it's going to look at his looks like. Look what mine looks like. And I've done this a few times. It looks like something's growing out of the wall. So, you know, it's going to have to get fixed now. So I'll be leaving before that has to get dealt with. So it doesn't matter to me. But for these guys, it's a headache. So I'll apologize at some point in the future.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Even his stand is like a pro stand.
Or pro stance. That's the pro look right there. You know, he's like. Turns out the guitarist and a window guy is the same guy. Who would have known? Oh my God, look at this. Look in the window. This is my nightmare. Oh! Mold! Beautiful, beautiful mold.
Take the screen out.
I don't know how. Just kidding, I know how.
We need Chris.
Just kidding, I know what I'm doing. You see that world? Throwing in there, cooking your food, washing your dishes. Mold is staring at you, judging you. No, not today. It's over. It's over, mold. All right, that's gonna wrap everything up here today. Another wonderful project here with Ecoline. Gonna be some more smiling faces. That's all we're gonna try to do for 2026. Just make people smile, make people happy. And the key to that happiness, right there. Give them a call. There's the number. Figure it out. And change your life. I guarantee you will not be disappointed. And as Master Home Inspector Ian Lauzon here, when you got to make the call, every time, Ecoline. That's it. Remember that.